Hi, I'm Ben Dimmick.
Hi, I'm Haley.
Hi, I'm Reagan Madison, and we're the manufacturing engineering interns here at Essex Industries. My role at Essex is to design, develop, and optimize manufacturing processes to make our operators and assemblers' job as smooth and efficient as possible. That could mean troubleshooting assembly issues, creating tools to simplify their workflow, or updating manufacturing instructions to better reflect what actually happens on the floor. This internship introduced me to a more real-world and hands-on application of engineering than I've experienced in school. I've also gained a lot of insight on how general manufacturing processes work, such as material processing, assembly and operations, tooling, design, and ERP systems.
One project I worked on here at Essex has been to create 3D printed masking for parts as opposed to taping each component by hand. This help makes it more efficient as well as consistent between each part. I've learned a lot in my internship here at Essex, especially focusing on how to integrate what I have learned at school into the workplace. From designing different parts to seeing them get made and then seeing that final product, it's really great getting to apply my knowledge while also learning even more.
I've been able to learn a lot through this internship, like understanding and using APQP tools, working in a team, learning more about the aerospace industry, and strengthening my CAD knowledge. This internship has also deepened my understanding of what the role of a manufacturing engineer is in an aerospace company, and it's given me an idea of what I can see myself doing in a future job.